Hey guys, Nick Drossos and welcome to Code Red Defense. God, a question is, Nick, how do I defend from an acid attack? Now this shit is fucking scary, guys. It's brutal. I've seen victims who've been attacked with acid attack, and I've always thought of making the video, and we never did because we're like, well, how do we really defend against this? And then we kept getting that question. I'm like, you know what, Pat, let's make the video, let's do some research. And again, let's start by awareness. If the person is going to have an acid attack, chances are he's going to hold it in a cup, maybe come close to you like he's drinking tea or coffee, and basically go whack into your face. Now, any way this thing hits you, you're getting burnt, right? Obviously, the idea is, as much as possible, you don't want to take it in the facial area, right? I'd rather take it in the hands, in the shoulder, try to cover my face in some way, in some form. Obviously, if I had an improvised weapon, I could pick up a bag, I could, use my jacket, my arm to cover my face, anything, right? But again, that comes down to awareness. If somebody's walking up to you, hey man, how's it going? He does this, I would probably say this would be the best thing to do, where you just turn and you cover your face and you take it around this area. Your hand's gonna freaking melt, but at least it's not your face. But again, we're making this video, and I'm not telling you guys start watching everybody walks up to you with a cup of coffee. I'm also not telling you that this happens regularly and it's a common, but it does happen. And we just wanted to answer that question. So again, if you know that you've got, let's say, beef with somebody or whatever it is, and you see something suspicious, he's getting close, he's looking at you, and he's doing this type of stuff, maybe you just fucking shoot it down, you know what I mean? Again, you guys can leave me 100 comments and tell me this shit doesn't make sense, but nobody can really teach you how to defend against this. This is really about awareness, about being able to read somebody who's getting close to you. If you even suspect that person has something, bam, slap it out of his hand and get the fuck out. Run as quickly as possible, you know what I mean? Or if you have and you could attack, but and if it ever comes in and he throws it, I guess it'd be like, well, just fucking cover your face. Do this, cover here, and just pray to God. That's the worst, you know what I mean? Again, it's a brutal, disgusting type of attack. I'd rather get attacked with a knife than that shit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is a great question. Sometimes we get questions that we're like, how are we going to talk about this topic? But we still want to give you guys some kind of answer, some kind of solution, some kind of awareness, some kind of way to be able to be proactive and at least an idea of what you can and cannot do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.